How to fix critical security alert issues in Gmail account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go to your Google. So when someone log in with your Gmail ID in their device, then you will receive this Gmail for your security. So you need help from Google. So you have to tap on the search bar and search for the google-support.com. After that, you'll be able to see the Google account help link. So you have to simply tap on that. After this, you have to scroll down below and select on account security option. After that, you'll be able to see the suspicious activity over here. So simply tap on that. After that, you'll be able to see the various options over here. So you have to tap on the investigate suspicious activity on your account option. So by tapping on that, you'll be able to see the description over here. You have to scroll down below and here you have to tap on no option. So you have to explain your problem over here. You have to simply tap on submit. And after submitting this, your problem will be solved. So by following this simple step, you can fix critical security alert issues in your Gmail account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.